welcome to season 1, episode 2 of Thrifting. Today we're talking about thrifting, more thrifting. I found two more products I have. I showed you them in the beginning there, in these two pictures. What else do we talk about? I got more stuff. I might just go two at a time because it's going to take a long time to talk about them when I found them. They're kind of neat and all that. There's more coming. There's some vintage stuff and some vintage electronics and some weird stuff I found. Hope you enjoy. Keep listening and watch on. Pontiac paper fasteners, 50 cent. Don't know if there's 50 in here. This I got at a thrift store, MCC in Winnipeg. These are old. Never heard of this brand of paper fasteners. Do you know? Pontiac, not the car company, or that's how you pronounce the name, made paper fasteners. 50 cent. Let's check on the back. There's nothing. Let's open it up and find out what's in here. Look, I think someone just had this in their basement or closet or house or something, and they gave you paper fasteners, man. There's different colors. There's green and silver. I don't know if they're all. Oh, they are made in USA at the time. See, different colors. Is this Panis? Is this? Let's find out. Let's find out what brands the green ones are. Let's find out what the green one is. Oh, Adco Fasteners, number 22, made in Canada. The green one here is made in Canada. So, I guess someone just had a bunch of these, put them together. Mostly Pontiac paper fasteners. The green ones are made in Canada, and that's about it. And I got it for less than $1. Like I think I got this for like 50 cents or something. Yeah, I'm gonna try them out because I got some brass fasteners. I thought, oh, that'll work. Nah, you can use these for something paper. Okay, today we're talking about the Fellows. What's this look like? Got this at the same thrift store. I got the paper fasteners. This is what's it look like to you people? Yeah. It looks like, oh yeah, it looks like this, looks like that. It's Fellows. See, got it for like 35 cents. Let's figure this out in 2 seconds flat. Today, when I talk about this, Fellows. What is it? It's a box. It's a small box. Open it up. Let's find out what it is. Aha. What is it? It's for these 3.5-inch floppy disks or hard disks. What are you going to call them? I think this holds one. If you look inside, it says fan file, 3.5-inch diskette file, stock number.
And it tells you all this stuff if you can read it. If you can read that. One, two, three, four, five, six. About six floppy disks. You know, the 3.5. I think this one's for traveling. When you put this in your laptop bag when you're carrying a laptop, so your disc won't get damaged. Because it opens up like this. Look. See, it closes. And it opens up. And then this opens up because on the side here, it's got this little track. And you could do this here. It closes. See, it only goes here. But if you look at it, the way it opens up like this. Yeah, you can put a little, and it's got little tracks here, and it closes. It's kind of weird to see. Look, it closes. Then if you see the little track here, get closer. See the little track here. There's a little track. It follows the track, and it closes. Kind of neat, eh? I carry about maybe 5 or 6 3.5-inch floppy disks. I don't have floppy disks right now because, well, I'm starting to get back into this stuff. Thought this was neat. Yeah, I got it like for 35 cents. See, I only carry like 5 or 6 hard disks. When I went to the thing at the thrift store, I've seen this in one of the departments. One guy thought that this was for what the heck they call? What the heck it is now? The guy said something. Address book. No. Hard disks. I said hard disks, for your floppy disks. He called them floppies, but I was called hard disks. HDD is hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. This is hard disk. There's a little 3.5 3.5-inch discs. I don't have any right now. I have maybe one someplace. Some old ones, but this one's like, carry. Kind of cool when you put on anything. You say you bought like 6 of these, you could put them up, stack them like what they look like is really old. These old file cabinets. When you go to the library. So, some people will know what I'm talking about. Okay.
So, did you learn anything from the video I just made? And if you did, what do you think about it? See, you go to secondhand stores or thrift stores or charity shops, depends on part of the world you live in. You see all this stuff that people throw away, or have in their attics, basements. They give away for free. Then you go buy it. Some organization gets the money to help, I don't know, schools, after schools programs, healthcare in the communities, food for programs for kids and stuff like that, so forth, or helping homeless people or helping other people. So if you like the stuff you see, go to your local charity, thrift, secondhand store to help someone out, because you get a neat product and you help the community at the same time, because that's what you're doing. And what do you go to? Do you go to an MCC? It's called Mennonite Community something. I forget what the rest is. MCC stands for. Or you go to Goodwill, or do you go to what's your secondhand store called? Here in Canada, we got Goodwill, Salvation Army, MCC, and a few others. I don't know. Some people have. So if you like it, comment, and subscribe to What Up 380. Hope you enjoyed the movie or video, whatever you call it in your part of the world. Goodbye.